Alrighty, now let's understand the concept of data workflow settings. Imagine your data pipeline as a train journey, and workflow settings are the control panel that decides how the train runs. You can set how many trains run at once, that is known as concurrency, how long each train waits at the station, that is timeout, and what happens if a train breaks down, that is retry policy. Parameters act like dynamic tickets that change the route based on the day or data. With proper logging and alerts, you always know where your trains are and how smoothly they are running. I hope you got the concept of data workflow settings. Let's meet in our next lecture.